Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video will be a coquette aesthetic guide. Enjoy. The definition of coquette is a flirtatious woman. The aesthetic is about embracing femininity and nostalgia. Core features of the aesthetic are the color pink, aesthetics from movies such as The Virgin, Lolita, Black Swan, etc. Coquette people also have a large appreciation for Lana Del Rey, her music, and her influence to the aesthetic. This video will cover coquette fashion, makeup, etc. Enjoy! The main color palette is pink, dark red, and cream. And popular patterns are floral, gingham, polka dots, hearts, plaid, and cherry. The fashion of the aesthetic is feminine with bright colors, frills, and a lot of lace. As you can see, the tops tend to have a low cut and they have lace and bows. Here is some inspiration. A lot of the bottoms are mini skirts, but flare jeans leggings work as well. You can also add lace or bows to pockets. Popular shoes are Converse, Doc Martens, Uggs, Mary Janes, loafers, and Repetto shoes. Bags usually have a floral print and are in the form of totes, shoulder bags, and cross bags. The bags can also be designer from brands like Dior, Chanel, and Vivienne Westwood. Jewelry for this aesthetic is very gold oriented. There are also a lot of pearls included, as well as heart shapes. Vivienne Westwood, especially her necklace, is also very popular for this aesthetic, along with Tiffany & Co. jewelry. Makeup is also very popular in this aesthetic. The main brands are Dior, Glossier, Charlotte Tilbury, Rare Beauty, and Too Faced. Here are some makeup looks. Skincare includes Glow Recipe and The Ordinary. Body products are Sol de Janeiro, Miss Dior perfume, and Philosophy products. Accessories are heart-shaped sunglasses, bows, headbands, leg warmers, headphones, the most notable hairstyle are braids and hair ribbons, and it's mostly associated with Dolores Hayes. Another hairstyle is a braid crown where you pin up two braids on the sides and leave some hair out. And here are some other hairstyles. For women's bow, the bedding is usually floral print. Victorian and vintage furniture is also really popular, and there are a lot of candles. Aside from what I said earlier, here are a list of things you should get to make your room match the aesthetic. watching.